So I am at Bloomsbury, so I'm going to be doing an updated tour. And I did film this on my CCX Fidget account a while ago. So let's walk in. So there is some fluffy needles and this big stacker thing with like globbies and Infinity Cube and some mini puppets. So now here is just some slime and like wall things and stuff. But after you walk in, there's a baby area. I'm not going to do a big tour on this. They do have dimple wobbles though, which are really fun. They have this big cube thing. Also, baby toys, except they have squigs. I don't know if you call those fidgets or not. But here is the big fidget area. Dimples, pocket, rubber mash, dimple fidget spinners, animated fidget spinners. These are really cool. And more poppets and a little radio. Super cute. They have these poppet bracelets. I got one of those. They're really cute. They have a dimple spinner, and more dimples. They have these bone and controller dimples and more poppets. They have acupressure rings and mini poppets and globbies. Jumbo Among Us, jumbo butterfly, crab and mermaid poppet, jumbo unicorn, jumbo heart, and more jumbo heart. So satisfying. Jumbo octagon, dolphins, dinosaurs, and circles, and some more toys. Around the corner, there's some squishies here, keychains. Oh yeah, that's only some of it. There's stuffies, Beanie Boo, like slippers and stuff. There's Beanie Boo socks, super cute. And then there's just like a bunch of arts and crafts everywhere. So yeah, these are the big stuffies. There's a bunch. It's good for little kids or you. But now they have these little lava tiles and a few books. There's these. And now let's go back around the corner. Keychains, slinkies. I love me my slinkies. And plastic ones. This Rubik's Cube. And just more Rubik's brand things. These are just random things. A Jacob slider, a skateboard, and some random things. Okay, there's just other random things around the corner. A love slide and kid thing. And lastly, the checkout area. They have hard shell pockets, needles, candies, and they're getting slime likers soon. And lastly, texture monkey noodles. So yeah, bye! Love you guys so much.